Oh, it's got a digital. Look at that. They got a digital thermos control.
Carnival has created a special needs team to assist those who have special assistance. Please let your stateroom steward know, and they will notify our special needs team.
Things I wanted to show about the suite is that there is plenty of space. So you have all of these drawers, and this opens up into two. Then over here where the TV is, you have another large, but you can't use it because it's a refrigerator in there.
Mommy, where's my bathing suit?
Maybe look for it. Then you have this. There's a safe, and it does open over here. You can see your space here. Okay, so then you have this drawer over here, and it's 4 drawers. The way that I pack, and if you want to see a video on this, everybody gets these packing cubes. So like this is my daughter's evening wear. So you can, and then she had like her night clothes in here, but I might do one on how I pack. So everybody got pretty much a drawer. So then you have this closet right here, which is pretty deep. We have 2 full size and 1 small suitcase in there. 2 full size suitcases. All of these, we didn't use them because of how we packed. So I go into here. Here's another closet. It has a shelf right here. Again, you see the packing cubes. We use these a lot. And so we put all of our shoes down here. And then on the other side, we have more shoes and more hanging space. I tend to keep my medicine up here. So here's the vanity. It's a large vanity area. You can see there's a lot of space, counter space. It has these 4 drawers, and I'll show you the depth of them. They're pretty big. Can fit makeup and stuff. Yeah. So all of those open. And then does this open? Yeah, I didn't know. Somebody knew. I wonder if that's ours. There, and you have a little stool there. Just know that there is not a medicine cabinet in here. So the only shelving you have is what they've already used for the glass and stuff here. But you have the little bit of storage down there. Okay. I bring one of these hanging toiletry bags, and that's where I pretty much keep my toiletries type stuff.